In the given figure, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. We have to prove that side AB plus CD is equal to sum of the sides BC plus AD. Or, in the given figure, we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC if the side length of the side AP is equal to 12 centimeter. As we are given this figure, this is the circle which is circumscribed inside the quadrilateral. As the line PAB is equal to line AB is a tangent on the circle. Therefore, the distance from A to P and from A to S will be equal to, as both the lines are tangent. Therefore, we can equate them as follows: AB plus CD is equal to AP plus BP, that is this line segment, and CD can also be equated as CR plus RD. And now we will substitute these value uh, using the tangent equations that we already conquered, and we can prove that AD is equal to BC. Moving on to the second part, as we are given this figure, we have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. The triangle perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. And as we know, the line AP and line AQ is tangent to the circle, therefore the length of BP and BD is equal, and the length of CD and CQ is also equal. So we will replace these values in the equation of the perimeter, and we will get the final answer equal to 2AP. And as we know, the value of AP is equal to 12, and we will substitute the value of AP in the equation, and we will get a final answer that is equal to 24 centimeter.